So it's about a little more than 7 ounces. And on board sort, our peripheral boards are going for $1.50. So we're talking about this board, if it was dead, whatever, really not worth fixing, because if you don't know how to repair these things, a technician would probably charge you $50 to fix it. So you can probably buy a new replacement PS3 for that price. So we have about 68 cents scrap value, but since it's working, I would sell it for about 20 on eBay free shipping, which would give me anywhere between 10 and 15 bucks, depending on what state it's going to. Then we have the DVD drive, which doesn't have a DVD board. And the weight on this is 13.8. And if memory serves me correct, they're currently going for 15 cents a pound on these. So there's about 13 cents worth of scrap value in this. It's probably dead. Most of the ones I get, the drive is usually dead. Usually doesn't play DVDs or something like that, or doesn't play both types of PS2 games. So we have this guy here, which would probably be sold for about $5 or something. So we have one fan in this, so copper bearing motor, which I usually get about 12 cents for a pound. And we have 1.1 ounces worth, so it's not even a penny's worth. Not even a penny worth of scrap value there. We have the 2 aluminum heat sinks at almost 4 ounces. And I usually get 50 to 60 cents. We'll go with 50 cents. Be a little conservative. So about 12 cents for these. And what's left is the scrap metal, or steel I should say. It's all scrap metal, but steel to be specific. I don't know why I always, whenever I talk about steel, I call it metal. And I don't know why, it's stuck in my head, I guess. So about 1.3 ounces, and currently on board sort, they're paying 3 cents a pound. Oops, sorry, a little mistake there. So about 3.5 cents for the steel, which I don't collect.